Our first chord will be a C major. It will sound like this. So our ring finger will go to the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Our middle finger will go to the 2nd fret, 3rd string. We will play open G string. It means like we're pressing nothing. On the B string, we will press the 1st fret, which is a C note, and then open E. Now, A minor. A minor, it's very similar to C major. We just need to lift this finger, the ring finger, put it down the middle finger on the G string 2nd fret, and play open string A. That's an A minor. So we're going to practice switching from C major to A minor. That will be our practice for the next couple of days. Stay tuned so we can go further on.